Before we begin, a shout out to Bird Polly, who is a VIP patron of the channel. Alright, for the final video in the series, let's see how to deploy an Xjs application. For this demo, I will be using Github and Vercel. Vercel is a platform by the Next.js team that lets you seamlessly deploy Next.js applications. Step 1. Ensure your code is pushed to GitHub. As you can see, I already have a repo created, which is the same repo I've used for the entire series. Next.js tutorials. We have a couple of applications in here, so let's deploy one of them. Step 2. Head over to vercel.com and sign up if you're new to Vercel. I am going to sign in with GitHub. On the next page, we need to import a Git repository. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll also need to install Vercel when prompted. I'm going to select my GitHub account, which is already linked. Our code is in the Next.js tutorials repository, which I'm going to import. I'm going to skip creating a team and configure the project. You can give it a project name, but I am going to leave the default as is. Framework preset is Next.js, and the root directory, select the project that you want to deploy. I'm going to use the next miscellaneous folder, which will also help you see how to set environment variables. Expand environment variables. And if you remember, our next miscellaneous project had one public environment variable, which is next_public_analytics_id. The value I'll enter as Vercel environment value. Finally, click on deploy. This will take a minute to build and deploy your application. Once the process completes, we should have a preview of the app. And if I click on this preview, click on Visit button, we have our application hosted on a Vercel URL. Navigate to /blog/1 and you should see the environment variable value being displayed in the browser. Vercel env value. Our application has been successfully deployed and is working as expected. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can of course point this app to that domain. But as far as a simple build and deploy with GitHub and Vercel is concerned, this is all you have to do. Well, with that, we come to the end of this series on Next.js. I hope you have a much better understanding of the concepts now than you did before starting the series. If you have enjoyed the series and found it helpful, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, as it helps out a lot. Share this playlist with your friends or teammates, and hopefully they start using this amazing framework as well. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.